Hello and Barakah Salah to all our Muslim viewers. A quick look at how the weather is likely to affect our outdoor activities in the next 3 days, starting from Thursday. We expect most parts of the north, the central, and the inland cities of the south to be affected by thunderstorms, while places around the southeastern inland extending to the coastal areas are expected to be affected by rains. The likely impact from this rain is expected to be low over places that appear in yellow, while places that appear in green are expected to experience no hazard from the expected weather. A maximum temperature is expected to reach 40 degrees Celsius, the highest value over Sokoto areas, while other places within the zone are to watch out for values between 26 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. Down south, we expect values during the day to range between 27 degrees Celsius over Port Harcourt and 26 over Calabar areas, while Lagos is expected to be 32 degrees Celsius. The next day, which is Friday, we expect partly cloudy conditions to prevail over the northeast with prospects for thunderstorms in places extending from Kano, Katsina down to Sokoto areas, as well as the part of Plateau State and also the FCT. We also expect the inland cities of the south to experience some thunderstorms, while rains are likely to affect the coastal areas and the southeast inland. The likely impact from the expected weather is expected to pose low hazard over places that appear in yellow and little or no hazard in places that appear in green. For our temperature forecast, we expect daytime highs to drop slightly over Sokoto, where value of 37 degrees Celsius is expected during the day and 22 degrees Celsius at night over this area. Other places within this zone are expected to watch out for daytime temperatures between 26 degrees Celsius and 34 degrees Celsius, while night temperatures are expected to range between 17 degrees Celsius over Jos and 24 degrees Celsius over Katsina areas. Down south, we expect values to range between 30 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius during the day, except over the southeastern areas, where we expect values to range between 28 and 29 degrees Celsius during the day. On Saturday, we expect to see partly cloudy conditions prevail over the northeastern parts of the country and also around Sokoto areas, while places around Kano, Katsina still have prospects for thunderstorms on Saturday. We also expect most places over the central parts of the country and also the inland cities to experience some thunderstorms as well. The southeastern inland down to the coastal areas have prospects for rains over these areas. And for our maximum temperature forecast on Saturday, we expect values during the day to reach 35 degrees Celsius over Damaturu and 33 degrees Celsius over Sokoto areas, while the central parts of the country are expected to see values in the range of 26 degrees Celsius over Jos to 30 degrees Celsius over Abuja and parts of Kogi and Nasarawa State. We expect the southern parts of the country to experience daytime values between 29 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, while night temperatures are expected to range between 23 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. This is where we'll conclude our 3-day forecast. Thanks for watching. I remain Paul Ugbah.